When you get your new iPhone, don't rush to turn it on. Why not put on the screen protector first? Smooth screen, fingerprint resistant. UV curing toughens the screen protector to resist impacts. It seems like something is missing. The phone is too ordinary. We should definitely spruce it up a bit. Although the iPhone 15 series has just been released, our phone skin printer has already been updated with data for the iPhone 15 series. You can choose pictures from your album or Rockspace's gallery. Select your phone model, and Smart Plotter will cut it into the shape of the back of your phone. Easily get a custom anti-scratch phone skin. Your new iPhone deserves the best protection.